Now, using this homemade aloe vera soap gives you the best of both worlds. It cleanses thoroughly like your regular bar soap, but adds all the natural goodness of fresh aloe to your skin. For instance, it's very super hydrating. It calms irritations. It fights pimples. You have pimples on your face, it fights it. It gives you healthy glow, and it's cheap to produce. So that's just the basic benefit. So let's get in. I cut this aloe vera into pieces. Cutting it into pieces, I poured water into it. I'll leave it for another 5 minutes, 5 to 15 minutes, so that the water can wash up the latex. Then I will blend it together. So I just blended the aloe vera, and this is the blended aloe vera. So I'm going to be sieving it. So I pour it on. I actually use white handkerchief. That's what I use to sieve. So I've poured it in my handkerchief. So I'm going to be sieving with this. So this is what we've got. These are aloe vera gel. This is the base I'll be using for my aloe soap today. This is the base. It's actually one of those soaps. So I decided to use another soap. So I'll be using this. So the next thing we do is to cut it little by little, so that it can easily be melted. Them very tiny, so that it can easily melt. So this is what we have after slicing it to pieces. Now I'm going to put it here. Then I'll put it on the double boiler. Now this is the water. Now I've placed water on the fire. So it's on heat. It's hot right now. So I'm going to place our soap. The soap we got, the base soap. So I'm placing it inside the hot water. So it's a double boiler system. So I have to keep stirring until it's melted completely. Ensure the heat is on low. You can see that it's melting. Melting already. Wow, this is a random bar soap that I bought on the road, so I'm using it as my base. It has melted a little bit, so I want to add my aloe vera gel to it. So this is what we have now. Then I'll keep stirring. First time of trying it out with random soap, just this bar soap I bought on the road. So I keep stirring. Let me see what comes out of it. Maybe because the aloe vera is cold, that's why. But then I keep stirring until I get what I want. So this is what I came up with. I'm just trying out making soap with aloe vera and a random soap for the first time. So I know. So wow. Okay. That's what it is. But you know the funniest thing? The aloe gel has actually mixed up. It has solidifying. I see that. Wow. Okay. Let's keep heating up. This is what I'll be using as my mode first time soap making. This is my mode right now. So from what I'm saying, the mixture has actually been able to blend together. So now I'm gonna scoop. I didn't get a liquefied. It couldn't get liquefied, but it was able to mix together. So this is that's what I got myself. This is interesting. So I'll leave it to solidify. I'm sure it's not going to take long to get solidified. Okay, so let's get it solidified. Here we are after about 3 hours. This is our soap. It's become solidified. So let me bring it out. Wow.